Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you to use QuickShare to share on your devices. Alright, so the first thing you want to do guys is to find this QuickShare option. It's a Samsung option. So you need one, any laptop, and two, you'll need to install the QuickShare from Samsung. Both devices here are Samsung based, so this might go smoother. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is go ahead guys and make sure both devices can see each other. So go to settings, and what you're going to do is you're going to search for QuickShare. Make sure you go to the settings, so always go to QuickShare. The name of the device will be shown here. As you can see here, it shows my S10, and of course just for the purpose of the video, or of course to make things easier, who can share with you, set it to anyone nearby, and that will make things easier as the device will show up. If this is set to no one, sometimes it will not show up on the other device no matter how long you scan. On the other device, make sure you're on the same Wi-Fi, and of course you can see over here as well, I have go into your search and search for QuickShare. You'll find QuickShare. As you can see here, it's an app. If not, install it, and once QuickShare is go ahead and scan for nearby devices. Notice it sees my phone, and of course once you do and you scan, you can actually send files or open files that can be done by QuickShare. So I'm just going to send over the files now. In my case here, I'm not sending a file from the laptop, so I'm going to send from the phone. So I'm just going to use share. I'm going to send over this relatively large file. And of course, I'm going to use QuickShare here. And as you can see here, it does see the desktop. So once the phone can see the desktop will be able to see the phone. So I'm going to use send to my desktop. And notice here, it shows that a file is being sent, and that's in QuickShare, that's on your device. So both devices need QuickShare. QuickShare is already installed for Samsungs. So I'm just going to go ahead and accept the file. Save. I'm going to hit save. And as you can see here, the file is being transferred over, and it shows the file size. What I love about QuickShare is that it's faster than Bluetooth. Bluetooth is going to take an insane amount of time. QuickShare saves time, and of course you can see the file. So with QuickShare, you can see the file transferred to your computer, and it does open up the folder as seen there. It downloads QuickShare, which is the default location. You can change that if you want, but notice with QuickShare that it made quick work of the transfer. This could be a video file, it can be audio files, doesn't really matter. So the idea is to have QuickShare on your device, sign into your Samsung account most likely to use the QuickShare feature. Samsung laptops so have everything already. So if you have both devices, I'm going to send over another file as well. Here I have a secondary file. I'm going to do it again. So hit share. I'm going to use QuickShare. And of course, I'm going to select my desktop. And there you go again. That's for the file. Alright, so just to wrap up here, remember that to use this feature, make sure QuickShare is on your computer. And if it's not, go ahead and install QuickShare. It's from Samsung. And of course, that's how you do it on these devices. I'm going to do the tutorial here. Do hope you enjoy. And as always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips. And bye until next time. Bye.